Welcome to the Houston Forensic Science Center's evidence collection training videos. Make no mistake about it, the goal is to ensure justice is served. Houston Forensic Science Center holds evidence integrity to the highest standards. Therefore, evidence must be collected and submitted in a manner which ensures fairness without prejudice. These evidence collection training videos will show those submitting evidence for analysis a step-by-step guide on how to do so properly. The Forensic Biology section provides forensic analysis of biological evidence, including blood and semen. Most evidence collected for DNA analysis comes from burglaries, homicides, and sexual assaults. All evidence should be placed in paper packaging or cardboard boxes to avoid mold growth in the case that the evidence is wet. When handling evidence, it is always best to wear gloves to protect the integrity of the evidence. Please keep in mind, DNA evidence is particularly sensitive to contamination, so it's best to preserve the evidence from everything including talking and coughing. Pick up evidence by the area less likely to have been touched and that are not suspected to contain biological materials. Place evidence into a paper packaging. If using a paper bag, fold the top of the bag and seal with tape from end to end. Write your initials in permanent ink on the seal. Write the agency case number on the outer packaging. Sealing items properly will ensure there is no possibility the package contents can be removed, altered, or substituted without the seal being obviously disturbed. For buccal swab collection, make sure to wear protective gloves at all times. Make sure the package containing swabs has not been opened or tampered with. It is recommended to swab the inside of both cheeks for up to 15 seconds. This allows for the skin cells to attach to the swabs. Once finished, swabs should be placed back into the sleeve packaging. Write the name of the person you swabbed in permanent ink on the outer swab packaging. Swabs should then be placed into a paper envelope with the outer labeling noting the number of the buccal swabs present. Identify to whom the swabs belong, and if the individual is a suspect, complainant, or elimination. After the physical evidence is carefully placed in an outer container, it can be sealed. The seal must have the initials or signature of the person sealing the evidence. Always put a biohazard sticker on DNA evidence. Avoid touching the area where you know or think DNA may exist. Avoid talking, sneezing, or coughing over DNA evidence. Avoid touching your face, nose, or mouth when collecting and packaging DNA evidence. Air dry evidence thoroughly before packaging, or place into a container that breathes, such as a paper bag. Never place evidence that may require DNA analysis in plastic bags, because plastic bags will retain damaging moisture. Direct sunlight and warmer conditions may also be harmful to DNA, so it is best to keep evidence in cool, dry places.